Hi Ram students, welcome to the second session of chapter 4, that is multiplication and division. So students, in the last session we were solving problems at 14 and in that we have completed the first part. Now we are going to start with the second part. Now second part, it is all based on word problems, right? So let's start the second one. As part of the Avoid Plastic campaign, each of 745 students made 25 paper bags. What was the total number of paper bags made? Right? So here what has been given? 745 students, they made paper bags, right? So you are going to do multiplication of 745 into 25, and that with that you will get the answer as the total number of paper bags made. So let's start the multiplication. So 745 into 25. Now what I'll do, I will start multiplying it. 5 5 is how much? 25. So 2 carried over, right? 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. So again 2 and 2 carried over. 5 7s is 35. 36 and 37, right? So 35 plus 2 is 37. So put a cross, or you can put a 0 also. 2 5s is how much? 10. So 0. 1 carried over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. And then 2 7s is how much? 14. So I have written 14. So now start the addition. 5, 2, 9, 7 plus 9 is how much? 16. So 6, 1 carried over. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 1 you will write as it is. So you got 18,625. Right? When you multiply 745 into 25, you got the answer as 18,625. So you will write the final answer as the total number of paper bags made were 18,625. Right, children? So let's move to the third word problem. In a plantation, saplings of 215 medicinal trees have been planted in each of the 132 rows of trees. How many saplings are there in the plantation altogether? So what is being given? 215 saplings of medicinal trees, right? They have been planted. And in how many rows? 132 rows, right? So you have to find out total number of saplings that has been planted altogether, right? So we are going to multiply 215 into 132. So let's see. 215 into 132. So we'll start with multiplication of 2. So 2 5 is how much? 10. So 1 carried over. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 2 is how much? 4. Right? So into. Now with the second digit, 3 5 is how much? 15. So 5, 1 carried over. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. And what is 3 2s are? 6. So now 2 multiplication sign, or you can put 2 zeros. 1 5 is how much? 5. 1 1s are 1 and 1 2s are 2. So now we can start the addition. 0. 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. And 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. So 3. 1 carried over. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. And 2 you will write as it is. So you got the answer 28,380. Right? So you will write the final answer. Altogether 28,380 saplings are there in the plantation altogether. Right, children? So these are the normal multiplication which you are doing, right? In the same way you are going to do it, just you have to frame final answer, right? So let's move to the next one. So one computer costs 27,540 rupees. How much will 18 computers cost? So the cost of one computer is how much? 27,540 rupees. And you have to find out the cost of 18 computers. So you are going to do multiplication 27,540 into 18. So let's start. So 27,540 into 18. So 8 zeros are 0, right? 8 fours is how much? 32. So 2 and 3 carried over. Then 8 fives is how much? 40. And 40 plus 3 is 43. So 3 I have written, 4 carried over. Then 8 sevens is how much? 56, right? So 56 plus 4 is how much? 60. So 0 and then 6 carried over. And 8 twos is 16. 16 plus 6 is how much? 22, right? So you will write 22. Now into 1 zeros are 0. 1 fours are 4. 1 fives are 5. 1 sevens are 7. And 1 twos are 2. Now you will carry out addition. 0, 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 7 is 9. And 2 plus 2 is 4. So how much you got? 4,95,720. Right? So you will write the final answer as 18 computers will cost rupees 4,95,720 rupees. Right? So let's move to the next one. Now children, we have completed till 4th one, right? So now I have taken the 7th one. And 6th sum, you will do it on your own, right? So now 7th one is 1 hour has 3,600 seconds. How many seconds do 365 hours have, right? So 1 hour has got 3,600 seconds. So we have to find out how many seconds 365 hours has. So again we are going to do multiplication 3,600 into 365, right? So let's start. 5 zeros are 0. Again 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 is how much? 30. So 3 carried over. 5 3 is how much? 15. And 15 plus 3 is 18. Now put a multiplication sign. Now second digit 6. 6 zeros are 0. Again 6 zeros are 0. 6 6 is how much? 36. So 6 carried over. Sorry, 6 written and 3 carried over. Then 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. So write 21. Now for the third digit, put 2 multiplication sign. Now 3 zeros are 0. Again 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 is how much? 18. So 8 I will write. 1 carried over. 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So now start the addition. 0, 0, 0. Now 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. So you will write 4. 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. And 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 again carried over. 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. And 1 as it is you will write it down. Right? So what is your answer? 13,14,000. Right? So final statement you will write 365 hours has 13,14,000 seconds. Right? So next is 8th one. Frame a multiplication word problem with the numbers 5,473 and 627 and solve it. So here only two numbers are given, 5 5,473 and 627. So first you will frame a word problem and then you will solve it. So what I have written, cost of one cycle is rupees 5,473. How much will 627 cycles cost? So this word problem I have framed by taking the two numbers 5,473 and 627. So what is given? One cycle cost is rupees 5,473. So we have to find out the cost of 627 cycles. So now we'll carry out the multiplication. 5,473 into 627. Now what? First we'll start with the first digit. 7 3s is how much? 1. So 1 written down, 2 carried over. 7 7s are 49. 49 plus 2 is 51. So 1 written down, 5 carried over. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5 is 33. So 3 written down, 3 carried over. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 3 is 38. So 38 written down. Now start with the second digit. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. So 4 written down, 1 carried over. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 2 5s are 10. Right? Now start with the third digit. 6 3s are 18. So 1 carried over. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 1 is 43. So 3 written down, 4 carried over. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. So 2 carried over. 6 5s are 30 and 30 plus 2 is 32. Right? So now let's carry out the addition. 1 plus 6 is 7. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5 written down, 1 carried over. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So 2 carried over. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 2 is 13. 1 carried over. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So and 3 as it is. So you get the answer as 34,31,571. So you will write the answer, children, that the cost of 627 cycles is rupees 34,31,571. Now let's move to the next sum. So the ninth one is, find the product of the biggest 3-digit number and the biggest 4-digit number. So as I had told you, children, in the first session, the product means the final answer which you get. Now tell me the biggest 3-digit number, what it is? The biggest 3-digit number is 999. And what is the biggest 4-digit number? The biggest 4-digit number is 9,999. So we are going to multiply both these numbers and we will get the product, right? So let's start the multiplication. 9,999 into 999. So 9 9s is how much? 81. So 1 written down, 8 carried over. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So 9 written down, again 8 carried over. Again 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8, 89. Again written down 9, 8 carried over. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So now next digit again it is 9. 9 9s are 81. So 1, 8 carried over. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So 9 written down, again 8 carried over. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8, 89. So again 9 written down, 8 carried over. 9 9s are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So written down as 89. Now Last digit is again 9. So 9 nines are 81. Again 1 written down, 8 carried over. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. Again 9 written down, 8 carried over. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So again written down 9, 8 carried over. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 is 89. So written down as 89. So now we will carry out the addition. So 1, 9 plus 1 is 10. So carried over 1. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, plus 1 is 20. So 2 carried over. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. And 27 plus 2 is 29. So 9 written down, 2 carried over. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. And 26 plus 2 is 28. So 8 written down, 2 carried over. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 2 is 19. So written down 9. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So your answer is 99,89,001. Right? So you will write the answer as 99,89,001 is the product. Right? So let's move to the next sum. 10th one. One traveler incurs a cost of 7,650 rupees for a certain journey. What will be the cost for 26 such travelers? So what is there in the question? For a certain journey, one person, that is the person who is going to travel, the cost is 7,650 rupees. So like this, how many travelers are there? 26 travelers. So you have to find out the cost for 26 travelers. So 7,650 into 26. So let's carry out the multiplication. Now 6 zeros are 0. 6 5s are 30. So 3 carried over. 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. So 9 written down, 3 carried over. 6 7s are 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. Now start the multiplication with the next digit. 2 zeros are 0. 2 5s are 10. So 1 carried over. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. So 3 written down, 1 carried over. 2 7s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So now you will carry out the addition. 0, 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 1 you will write as it is. So what is the answer? 1,98,900. So you will write the final answer as the cost for 26 such travelers is 1,98,900 rupees. Right? So with this children we finish our problem set 14. Right? Regarding multiplication. So we have seen simple multiplication and multiplication in which there were word problems in which again we had to carry out the multiplication. So with this we finish multiplication, children. In the next session we'll start with division. Till then, goodbye.